After making my first HTML project, which was a shoe store, I was kind of frustrated by how plain it looked. I knew I needed to master CSS if I wanted to create something visually appealing. So I dove deeper into CSS with this YouTube clone project. So what started as a learning exercise turned into something that I'm actually pretty proud of. I recreated YouTube's interface using just HTML and CSS. So let me walk through what I built. It has a fixed sidebar and fixed header that stays in place while scrolling, just like real YouTube. You can scroll however, but there's only these videos up. It has like tooltips on the navigation icon, search, boom. These are all with CSS, just like hovering, and then it pulls up a div. Blah, blah, blah. No JavaScript for none of this. This was just CSS, like the search with your voice, just create, YouTube app, 50 notifications, boom, boom, boom. So on and so forth. It has a responsive search bar that adjusts as you resize the browsers, and so the rest of the videos to a certain extent. It has a 3-column grid, and it has consistent spacing, like you see all the videos are evenly spaced. Video cards with the video duration like placed on top of them. And this is a big step up from the shoe store, which honestly to me looks very trash. So you see it also, like, it'll click to the video as well, so it just links to the video. So whatever video you click on, it'll link to. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And these are all old videos because once again, I made this like almost 3 years ago now. So this is like the behind the scenes. This is the HTML, this is the navbar HTML, and this is like where all the CSS is hosted. So it's around 300 lines, actually closer to 400 lines of CSS. Basically, I divided it into sections, consistent naming to keep everything maintainable. The responsive design adjusts across different screen sizes, which was a first for me, and it maintains that YouTube look and feel as you see. It looks very good to me personally. This project was a major turning point for me because after the shoe store project just looking so basic, I knew I needed to level up my styling skills. I could have used a framework or anything, but I stuck with basic CSS just to really master the fundamentals. The YouTube clone helped me master CSS layout techniques like fish positioning, flexible sizing, and pixel perfect alignment, as well as like basic stuff like flexbox and just understanding like the different displays in CSS, like grid, flex, you see it all. Looking back, it's honestly pretty amazing to see how each project has built on each other, from a simple terminal app to this complex user interface recreation. And all of this, of course, was for my ultimate goal at the time, which was to build this visualization app. Now, if you know anything about web development, which I assume if you're looking at my resume you do, there's one thing that's really missing from all of this, and it's JavaScript. So this is all done with HTML CSS. These tooltips, everything is done with HTML CSS. There's actually no like programmable logic behind this besides like the templating and the styling. So my next project was to tackle that missing area, because up to this point, the only programming language that I wrote in was Python. So my next project, I needed to learn JavaScript.